Hi, Luna. How are you today?
Hi, Jack. I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm great. Welcome to our English Learning Podcast, everyone. I'm Jack, and this is Luna.
Hi, everyone. We are happy you are here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Yes, today we will talk about everyday English words.
That's right. Let's start with something simple. Jack, what is your name?
My name is Jack. What about you, Luna?
My name is Luna. Nice to meet you, Jack.
Nice to meet you, too. Where are you from, Luna?
I am from London. And you, Jack?
I am from New York. London and New York are big cities.
Yes, they are. And what about your age, Jack?
I am 25 years old. And you, Luna?
I am 24 years old.
Great. So today we will learn simple English words for everyday life. Words for people, places, and things.
Yes, words we use every day. Words like friend, city, food, and home.
Exactly. And we will practice them with short sentences.
Okay, Jack. Can you make a sentence with the word friend?
Sure. My friend is kind. Your turn, Luna.
I have a friend in my city.
Perfect. Now a sentence with city.
London is a big city.
Very good. And food?
I like Italian food.
Excellent. These are simple words, but very useful.
Yes, repeating them helps you remember.
Let's ask our listeners a question. What about you? Can you say your name and your city in English?
Try to say it slowly. For example, my name is Luna. I am from London.
Great tip, Luna. So today we learned words friend, city, food, home, and simple sentences.
And we practiced asking and answering about name, age, and city.
That's it for part 1. Keep practicing these words and sentences.
Yes, practice every day. Now, get ready for part 2. Next, we will talk about jobs, family, and more.
Now let's talk about personal information. Luna, do you have a job?
Yes, I do. I work as a teacher. And you, Jack?
I'm a student. I study computer science.
That's interesting. So you go to school every day?
Yes, I go to school Monday to Friday. I study in the morning and afternoon.
Great. And do you have a family, Jack?
Yes, I have a family. I have a mother, a father, and one sister. What about you, Luna?
I have a family too. I have a mother, a father, a brother, and a little dog.
Oh, a dog. What is your dog's name?
My dog's name is Coco. She is very friendly.
That's nice. I like dogs too.
Me too. Now, let's talk about your mother, Jack. What does she do?
My mother is a nurse. She works in a hospital. And your father, Luna?
My father is a chef. He cooks in a restaurant.
Great. And do you help your family at home?
Yes, I help my parents. I clean the house and cook sometimes. And you, Jack?
I help my mother. I wash dishes and take care of my sister.
Very good. Helping family is important.
Now let's talk about your daily life with your family. Luna, what time do you usually wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m. And you, Jack?
I wake up at 7 a.m. Then I have breakfast.
Breakfast is important. What do you usually eat?
I eat bread, eggs, and drink tea. And you, Luna?
I eat cereal and milk. Sometimes I drink coffee.
Very nice. And after breakfast, what do you do?
I go to work. I teach students in school.
And I go to school. I study computer science.
How long do you study, Jack?
I study for 4 hours in the morning. Then I have lunch at 12 p.m.
I see. And do you have hobbies, Jack?
Yes, I like reading books and listening to music.
That's nice. I like painting and walking in the park.
Great. And do you have friends near your home?
Yes, I have friends near my home. We sometimes meet in the evening.
That's good. Spending time with family and friends is important.
Yes. And do you have any pets, Jack?
No, I don't have pets, but I like animals.
Me too. Animals are friendly and fun.
So today we learned many words about family: mother, father, brother, sister, dog, friend, and also words about jobs: teacher, student, nurse, chef.
Yes, and we practiced asking and answering about family and jobs.
Now, listeners, you can try. Ask yourself in English, do you have a family? Who is in your family?
And also, what is your job? What do you do every day?
Keep practicing these words. Repeat them with your family or friends.
That's right. Using English every day helps you remember better.
Great. That's it for part 2. Next, we can discuss likes and dislikes.
Yes, we will talk about favorite foods, colors, animals, and hobbies.
Next, we can discuss likes and dislikes. Luna, let's start with food. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza. I like cheese pizza. And you, Jack?
I like pasta. I like spaghetti with tomato sauce.
Yum! And do you like vegetables, Jack?
Yes, I like some vegetables. I like carrots and broccoli. But I don't like spinach.
Oh, spinach is healthy. I like it too. And how about fruits?
I like apples and bananas. I eat them every day. And you, Luna?
I like oranges and grapes. I eat fruit in the morning.
Great. Now let's talk about drinks. What do you like to drink, Luna?
I like water and milk. Sometimes I drink juice.
I like tea and coffee. I drink tea in the morning and coffee in the evening.
Perfect. Now, let's talk about colors. What is your favorite color, Jack?
My favorite color is blue. It is calm and nice. And you, Luna?
I like pink. It is bright and happy.
Nice choice. And what about animals? Do you have a favorite animal?
Yes, I like cats. They are soft and cute. And you, Jack?
I like dogs. They are friendly and playful.
Good. And hobbies. What do you like to do in your free time, Jack?
I like reading books and watching movies. And you, Luna?
I like painting and listening to music.
Very nice. And are there things you don't like, Luna?
Yes, I don't like loud noise. It gives me a headache.
I don't like rain too much. I prefer sunny days.
Me too. Okay, now let's make sentences with our words.
I like pizza. I like blue. I like dogs.
I like orange juice. I like pink. I like cats.
And now, a question for our listeners. What do you like? Try saying it in English.
For example, I like apples. I like green. I like cats.
Very good. And what don't you like? Say it in English too.
For example, I don't like spinach. I don't like rain.
Today, we learned many words about food: pizza, pasta, vegetables, fruits, juice, tea, coffee.
And words about colors: blue, pink, green, and animals: cat, dog.
We also practiced sentences with I like and I don't like.
Yes, repeating them will help you speak English easily.
Listeners, take a few minutes and try to say what you like and don't like.
Say it slowly and clearly. For example, I like apples. I don't like rain.
Great. That's it for part 3. Next, we can talk about daily routines.
Yes, we will describe a full day, morning, afternoon, and evening.
Now let's talk about daily routines. Luna, what time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 6 a.m. I brush my teeth and wash my face. And you, Jack?
I wake up at 7 a.m. I also brush my teeth and wash my face.
Good. After that, what do you do, Jack?
I have breakfast. I usually eat bread and eggs and drink tea.
I have cereal and milk. Sometimes I drink coffee. Breakfast is very important.
Yes. And after breakfast, I go to school. I study in the morning.
And I go to work. I teach students in school.
What time do you start work, Luna?
I start work at 8 a.m. and finish at 3 p.m.
I start school at 9 a.m. and finish at 2 p.m.
Great. What do you do after school, Jack?
After school, I usually read books or listen to music. And sometimes I play football.
Nice. I go home and prepare lunch. I also clean the house sometimes.
Do you have lunch at home or work, Luna?
I have lunch at home at 12 p.m. And you, Jack?
I have lunch at school at 12:30 p.m. I usually eat sandwiches or rice.
Sounds good. What do you do in the afternoon, Jack?
I study more or do homework. Sometimes I play football with friends.
I usually have meetings with my students in the afternoon, and sometimes I take a short nap.
Taking a short nap is good. It gives energy for the rest of the day.
Yes, very true. Now, let's talk about evening routines. Jack, what do you do in the evening?
I go home at 5 p.m. I relax and sometimes watch TV. And dinner is at 7 p.m.
I also go home at 5 p.m. I cook dinner at 6 p.m. Then I eat with my family.
That's nice. Do you spend time with your family after dinner, Luna?
Yes, we talk, watch TV, or sometimes play games.
I usually read a book or listen to music after dinner.
And what time do you go to bed, Jack?
I go to bed at 10 p.m. I sleep for about 8 hours. And you, Luna?
I go to bed at 11 p.m., sometimes later if I have work.
Good. So today we learned words for daily routines: wake up, brush teeth, wash face, have breakfast, go to school, work, read, play, cook, eat, relax, sleep.
And we practiced using time expressions: 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 12 p.m., 2 p.m., 5 p.m., 7 p.m., 10 p.m.
Great. Listeners, try to say your daily routine in English.
For example, I wake up at 7 a.m., I eat breakfast, I go to school, I have lunch at 12 p.m., I relax in the evening, I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Very good. Repeating your daily routine will help you speak English easily.
Yes, practice every day, and remember the verbs wake up, eat, study, cook, play, sleep.
That's it for part 4. Next, we will talk about evening activities and conclude our lesson.
Yes, we will talk about dinner, relaxing, bedtime, and saying goodbye.
Now let's talk about evening activities and bedtime. Luna, what do you usually do after dinner?
After dinner, I like to relax. I watch TV or listen to music. And you, Jack?
I usually read a book or watch a short movie. Sometimes I play a game on my phone.
Nice. Do you spend time with your family in the evening, Jack?
Yes, sometimes. We talk about our day or play a board game. And you, Luna?
I talk with my parents and my brother. Sometimes we take a short walk in the garden.
That sounds healthy and fun. Walking in the evening is good.
Yes, I like it. And sometimes I prepare things for the next day, like my clothes or school bag.
That's smart. Preparing for the next day helps you start the morning easily.
Exactly. And do you have dinner at a fixed time, Jack?
Yes, I usually have dinner at 7 p.m. I eat rice, vegetables, and sometimes chicken.
I have dinner at 6 p.m. I eat soup, bread, and sometimes pasta.
After dinner, I like to relax for about an hour. Then I take a shower.
Me too. Taking a shower in the evening feels fresh.
Yes, it is relaxing. And what about bedtime? What time do you sleep, Luna?
I go to bed at 11 p.m. I like to read a book for 10 to 15 minutes before sleeping.
That's nice. I go to bed at 10 p.m. Sometimes I listen to music before sleeping.
Sleeping well is very important. It gives energy for the next day.
Exactly. And listeners, you can try to say your evening routine in English.
For example, I have dinner at 7 p.m. I relax. I take a shower. I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Great. Now let's practice some sentences with the words we learned today.
I eat dinner with my family. I relax in the evening. I go to bed at 11 p.m.
I read a book after dinner. I watch TV in the evening. I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Very good. Repeating these sentences helps you remember verbs and daily activities.
Yes. Today we learned words for evening activities: dinner, relax, watch TV, read, take a shower, go to bed, sleep.
And we practiced making sentences about your own evening routine.
Great. Listeners, now it's your turn. Say your evening activities in English.
Try to say what time you eat, what you do after dinner, and what time you sleep.
Excellent. Keep practicing every day. Using English in your daily life is the best way to improve.
Yes, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our podcast.
Thank you for listening, everyone. We hope you enjoyed learning English with us today.
Yes, keep practicing, stay motivated, and use English every day.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.